Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video we are picking a winner for these embellishment books. I am so excited to see who wins. I'm copying the URL now, heading on over to YouTube Random Comment Picker. So pasting the URL right here. Also clicking on this filtered duplicate user, get YouTube comments, scroll down, click on start, and good luck, you guys. The winner is My Scrapbook Loft. Congratulations. She says your books are over the top. My favorite one is the traditional one. Your bag toppers are super cute. I do like the way you use them on the packages you've put in the pockets. Thanks so much. Hugs and God bless. Congratulations, Judy. Okay, so you have 24 hours to contact me. You could do it through I was going to say DMV. You could do it through DM on Instagram, or you could email me. My email will be listed below. So congratulations. So I'm so excited to pick winner number 2. Let's go ahead and see who that is. Okay, let's go ahead and pick another winner. And I'm gonna click right here, pick another winner. And good luck, you guys. The winner is the polka dot pinecone. Congratulations. Okay, she says, I have really enjoyed watching this series. Everything you have made has been amazing. I like both books. Thanks for sharing your creativity. Amazing. Okay, so Judy will get the traditional. She says she likes traditional, and the polka dot pinecone loves both. So the one that would be left over would be the pastel, so she gets that. Congratulations to both of you. I appreciate you both. And you guys, if you didn't win, I will have another giveaway very soon, and I hope to do a Christmas series as well. Since you guys loved the Halloween, I would love to do a Christmas series, and I have yet to do one. It'll be my first, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I can do that for you guys. And stay tuned, and congratulations, and contact me within 24 hours through DM or email, okay? Congratulations, bye!